Well, hello, I'm NationalFreak. I know I said I wasn't going to play much more games, but this game I have been waiting for a very long time to come out. And it is an amazing game by an amazing developer called Freebird Games, and they are great. You may have known them from a game called To the Moon, and I myself did not play it. I watched PewDiePie play it, and he did an amazing job with that. So this game kind of isn't as long, isn't as interactive, but it's supposed to be really, like, heart-wrenching. So we are going to experience this together, and it is called A Bird Story. It's about a young boy who finds an injured bird and goes on a wild adventure of imagination. Please excuse the microphone that's above my eye, it's the only way it sounds good, and the camera can only fit on this side of the desk. So, alright, well, here we go. We are going to take a look at A Bird Story. Alright, okay, we're in English. Let's begin. Okay, so I go with space, escape, and left and right. Okay. Go with the first chapter. Can I move? I might not talk as much because this is supposed to be a very amazing game. Okay. Oh. What's he doing? Is he getting on top of a tree? Oh, there's a bird in there, probably. Does he want there to be a bird in there? Whenever he's, I don't know what his parents do or whatever he does, he's got an amazing view. He's apparently like A+ in paper airplane making too. And God knows I tried to make those in elementary school and they always went. He's got a very nice apartment. Throw a paper airplane, go to bed. Routine of a 7-year-old, I assume. Good night. Good night, sir. I don't know if he has a name. If he doesn't have a name soon, I'm gonna name him something. It's got a nice little room. I like his bed sheets. Got a Starbucks. Ooh, is he dreaming or is this real life? We'll never know. Time to get up, son. Time to get up. Jeez, what is going on? Is he in... Oh, we're in the dream world. Can I move now? Yeah! I am walking backwards. Moon walking to the left and... Oh god, this... Is this a nightmare? Hello? Walk to the star. Go! Oh, what the? Oh, it's making a paper airplane. Called it. Let us get on. Are we going back in time? We are... I don't even know what's happening. It's Papa Bird. Oh, is he feeding another bird to the bird? That's barbaric. It's barbaric. Do I just walk backwards? Can I explore anywhere? Oh god. What was that? What the? I can move forward. I'm moving. Whoa. Time travel! Time travel! What the? Let's meet up with my old... What the? What is happening? This kid's got some messed up dreams, man. In school, all the ghost children, ghost teacher. Never liked her anyway. Miss Hildeberg. Can I do something? do I do? I guess this really is just a story. Can I read? Or am I just gonna, like, look outside? This kid loves animals. Maybe I should stop talking. Might be a good idea. Oh. Oh no. Huh. 1764 does not equal cat. What kind of world is this? What kind of world equals cat? Jeez, throw one paper airplane, get kicked out of class. What kind of elementary school is this? Oh god, that kid is like terrified. So am I supposed to walk around without her noticing? Or I'm just watching. And now I don't even know. Oh god. Well, bye, Okay. Can I not leave the area? I don't know how to tell. Screw it, I'm leaving. I don't care what the teacher says. This is a dream anyway, it don't matter. Look, there's trees in the hallway. The lockers are the trees. It don't matter no more where I'm going. There's my objective, but I don't... Oh god, I killed the kid. Oh, he's back, okay. Alright, now I morph into this body. Oh, he's got no friends. Sad day. Can I play in the sandbox? Anything? What's in the trash can? Maybe I'll find the bird. Oh, that's where I'm supposed to go. I'm gonna go wander in the woods like a good kid. Do what your parents told you. Go wander in the woods. It's character building. Maybe I'm going home now. I just love to talk today. What's up here? Just a road. Oh, that's a building, not a road. Where's the heart-wrenching? Ah, I live in building 152. I'd assume. And I'd assume right. I'm home. I think. Can't even read anything. There's no dialogue. It's always good. Oh! That guy couldn't push the button? Oh god, am I gonna get mugged? Huh. Good. Stranger danger, kids. Don't talk to strangers. Alright, let's get out of here. I have no idea which house is mine. Probably the one... Oh god. Oh god, is those mices? Ew, this place is underkept. This is my home. Yep. Jeez. This place is just gloomy as... God. Mom's not home. Mom's at work. Or dad, I don't know. I can't even read it. Alright, well now I can explore, I guess. Let's go to the bathroom. Ooh, what's this? Oh, I can turn it on. I'll go poop. Or not. I'll go poop on the floor, I guess. Let's go to Mom's room. Or study, I don't know. And turn on some lights. What's this? Nothing. Oh, I can turn on the big light. Oh. No, there's no one looking. I'm gonna jump on the bed. I got the monkeys in the book that Mama reads me. Huh, what a clever kid. Jump on my bed. Oh, here's my room. He's got a stack of notes that his mom left. Sorry, honey. I can't come home today. I have to go work another shift at the whorehouse to pay for our beans and rice. I will be penetrated many times. Please remember that I love you. Mama Jose. I don't know why I said Jose. Is it time for bed or is it time to go outside? That's more like up. Here we go. Get that splendid view right out of my room. Ain't that something? I get the cool room. Now what? I can just keep looking out the... Can I jump off? Jump off! What else can I do? Nothing, nothing, nothing. I don't know what else to do. Can I go, like, leave the house? I feel like I'm... Is this whole thing just a dream? I don't know what to do. Whatever. Let's go to bed. Let's go to bed. No. I looked over the balcony. Let's go get a snack. Mama always said eat a good snack. Cereal and cartoons. I know that's what I did after I got home from school. Long day of 3rd grade, you know. And then you'll probably fall asleep on the couch. Or not. Oh, time to go read a book. Let's go read a book. Let's go read a book. Oh god. It's all happy music. This kid actually reads. Oh, I didn't read when I was that little. I had my Game Boy SP. Played some Super Mario World and Zelda Minish Cap up in here. Did you just tear a page out of that book? It's a perfectly good book, son. Mom paid... Oh! Aww. This kid is so cute. It's so cute! Aw, he tripped. Oh, he hit his nose. Aw, he hurt himself. Now he's writing in it. Now he's tired. What a good kid. I hope nothing bad happens to him. He's gonna fall asleep at his desk. I mean, this is all a dream, so I don't really understand. Oh, here comes Mom to put him to bed. Aww. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Google Plus to get updates about stuffs. Also, if you want to become a partner with Freedom, just check out this link and get a referral from me because I'm awesome. So remember to subscribe, like, and tell your friends. See ya!